Hello everyone, I'm coming to you with a quick video on some lashes, magnetic lashes that I received from AliExpress. I paid $4.65. Shipping was free. Okay, it came in a package like this. Here's the box. Magnetic eyeliner eyelash suit, okay? And on the back, okay, are some quick directions, okay? And they're magnetic lashes with the magnetic eyeliner fluid to go with it. It tells you to shake it, okay, 10 or 20 times, and apply the eyelids, okay, and wait for a dry out. Absorb the magnetic lashes onto the eyeliner with the tool. Okay, so you're basically going to stick the eyeliner on your put the eyeliner on, and then you're going to put the lashes on. Now I have used the magnetic eyeliner before, and you're supposed to put 3 coats on. This doesn't say that, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see. So open this up. Woohoo! Yes, people, you get 3 pairs of lashes. You get the little tool, the eyelash applicator to help you apply your eyelashes, okay? And you get the magnetic liner, and of course you get 3 pairs of lashes for $4.65. That is a fraction of the cost. Just thought I'd throw that out there, okay? And I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description bar, so if you want to go and check it out, okay? So what I'm gonna do is shake the eyeliner up like it said. Okay. And the thing about, I noticed the trick with this eyeliner. Okay. Well, there is really no trick. It's really easy. Beginners, everybody. Okay. Um, you just got to make sure you get the magnets on the lash, okay, onto the eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes when you're just doing it like this, you missed the spot. So a magnifying mirror will definitely help you with this process. Yes, it will. Okay, so we got it shaken up, and oh, this is what it looks like. Nice thin eyeliner tool, lash. Anyway, you know what I mean. So anyway, I'm gonna go in here, and I want to go close to my lash line as possible. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay. I went too thick right there. So let me go thicken it up the rest of the way. Yeah, you make a mistake, you might as well. Okay. So, yeah, so be careful because just like any other not eyeliner, this is just like any other eyeliner. It's just magnetic, okay? So we're going to do the other eye and let allow to dry. So, and don't be skimpy with this stuff either, okay? I did one line. I'm going to go on the other side and use the product on that side too. And then because I got it thick, I'm going to have to do the other one thick too. So they'll match and I won't be looking crazy. Ooh. So this particular little eyeliner lash liner is no joke. So be careful with it. Okay. So I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to put another coat on. Okay. Let me make sure this stuff isn't running into my eye. And yes, you can't get it too into the corner too close and it will run. So it's okay. It's okay. There we go. And you can tell when it's dry because it's not real shiny. Hmm. Let me see if I can go in for you on that. I'm gonna put on another coat. Yeah, it's all messed up, okay? But you put the eyeliner on, it's not gonna make a difference, okay? Unless you guys are OCD. I'm OCD too, but I'm not that OCD. Okay, so let's do it again on a close up. Shake it up. Sorry about that. Oh, that if you hear any noise in the background, okay, that's the wash machine. Okay, so that's 2 times. We're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna apply the eyelashes. And they have different lashes. They have different styles that you can choose from. Okay, I happen to choose this. I think they even had one where you can get 3 different styles in one pack. Now I'm going to use this applicator, okay, because it's going to help the situation keep it sanitary. My eyes, okay. So yeah, and oh, it's got a little line here. Okay. Oh, it's got a little magnet. Is that a magnetic line right there that this lashes can stick to? Can you see the magnet on the left? Let me see. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3. This has 5. Okay, they ain't playing. Let me see if I can show it to you. See those magnets? Yes, they're shiny. They got 5 of them on here. Yes, boo boo. Okay. And this is going to go on this eye. Woo! I'm all excited. Okay. Get it on there. I've never even used an eyelash applicator. I had never used this little thingy here. So let's see. It is dull. Okay. Get my little mirror here. And we're going to go in. Now, I like to blink because if it's not on correctly, it will be off. That's easy, folks. Okay. Wow. That was okay. Let's try the other one. I'm all excited. Okay. Uh, where's my hey, okay. I didn't, and I'm taking it off too with the applicator here. There we go. That was real easy with this applicator. Wow. That's it, folks. That's the end of the video. Oh, what do I have on my eye? Oh, nothing. I guess that's just the way the looks like I have something on this eye right here, but I don't. Anyway, okay, I'm just fumbling. Let's back it up some so you can get the whole effect here. Mm-hmm. Yes, people. Wait, let me come in some. Okay, now I like to look at the top to make sure I don't have any gaps because you can have some openings even though they're magnetic. And all you have to do is just tighten it up. That's all. So I want to make, oh yeah, this is on. Oh yeah. There's no, okay. I got a little looseness on the corner here. It's coming up. So I want to make sure, there we go, that that's on. Yeah, and it's coming off again. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I might need to apply some more liner. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more liner on. I'm all excited. So I just let you know, you can see for yourself, it does work, you know? That's the whole point. Ooh, okay, this might, ooh, I can see it about to run already. That's too much. Okay, we'll get that in and see how that works. That should be, fix it right there, okay? $4.65. Yes. And sheesh, these lashes, you know how long these lashes will last, okay? With 3 pair. So we'll see. Because I don't know if it says, let's read it. I don't know if it says on the box. Okay. So here's a tip. The magnetic eyelashes can only be worn after the magnetic eyeliner dries. Okay, so don't sit up there try to be in no rush and stick it on. They have to completely dry, and then they will adhere because then your the magnet attraction. I can't find the word, but the attraction comes in when it's dry. Yeah, okay, but um it doesn't give you any estimate on how long they should last. So that's fine. I know they're gonna last. Wow. And you can order the liner separately too. You can do that. So, wow. Now, I didn't get the dramatic lashes, okay, because I'm telling you, uh, where's my lash? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Oh, folks, I done lost the lash. Okay, let's see. Feels dry, so let's put it on. I'm gonna use this thing because it was so much easier and more, it's easier and accurate. Okay, for me to get these lashes on. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, what's that? Girl, that was a lash sticking up through the crevices, I guess. Oh yeah, it's on there now, people. It's on there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's on there now. It ain't coming up. Oh yes, baby. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's the demo. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you. So if you want to order you some lashes, and they did not take that long to come. Okay, I think it took about a week, no more than 2 weeks. Okay, I don't even think it took 2 weeks, but yeah. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I greatly appreciate it because there is more. Most of all, stay blessed. Bye.